welcome! Today's video is the song for Love One Another. And so for those of you who don't know how these videos work, I will be voicing the ASL words, signing it slowly, not on tempo. Feel free to pause, rewind if you need to see it again. And at the end of each verse, this song has no verse, but in each verse we'll have the music, so we can practice the timing together. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started. So first line, sing, he, so backhand, he, finish, love, thee, love one another. Big, not small, big. Now, new, so you're like scoop it up, new commandments, love one another. So if you're just going to try and stand with your elbows down, it looks ridiculous, so it's better if it's wide, open. Example, people, it's a P, people, them, do a circle, them, no, will. The, his, follow, person. I made one mistake. The, his, palm up, his, follow, person. So you're going to go towards the right. So we'll do that one more time. So the, his, follow, person. If, you all. Example, love, love one another. Example, people, them, no, will. Ye are his disciples. If y'all, example, love, love one another. Okay, so now is the music part. My music keeps cutting off right there, but that was the end of that. So if you have any questions, make comments below, and hope you enjoy the video. See you later.